In this video, we're going to talk about IT for service providers, in particular, software development companies. Dan, nice to see you. So let's talk about how you might support a software-based business when it comes to cloud services.
So there's a lot of great software companies out there that have spent years building software for a particular industry, but they haven't quite made that move from software that runs on a server to software that needs to run in the cloud, or what we call software as a service. So we have the ability to take that software that runs on a server and essentially cloudify it, so turn it into software as a service, enabling that software company to then go out to businesses and say, we now have a cloud-based product.
So the software development process of redeveloping for the cloud must be kind of massive, almost to start from scratch.
That's
right.
right.
I'm curious to know more. Exactly how do you cloudify these services? There must be a different approach.
So we take that same software that the businesses build and we then put that into our private cloud, and we then set up a portal or some kind of access that enables the end user or the end customer to be able to access that software through a web browser. So we turn it into software as a service, and we then provide that access to them on any device anywhere in the world.
And I think you've actually done this. We spoke about this briefly before, but can you give me a specific example of when you've done this for a company, through your work in IT services?
So we have a software developer that we've done this for, who builds software for building companies. And we've taken that software for them and we've moved it into the cloud, enabling that access through a portal so that their customers can then connect through a web browser into that software.
So instant software as a service.
Absolutely.
It sounds like a great shortcut so that you don't have to rewrite your software from scratch.
It saves that hassle of the software development companies having to go back and rewrite their software for software as a service. Instead of doing that, they can bring it to us and we can cloudify it, turn it into a cloud piece of software.
All right, terrific, thank you. For those of you who'd like to find out more, particularly software development companies who would like to insta-cloudify your software, please get in touch with us via the website sabervox.com.au.